Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy M14 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to change Bluetooth device name in your phone Samsung Galaxy M14 5G. Suppose if you would like to use Bluetooth and by default your device name will appear. If you would like to change that name, yes, you can do it. See here. Go to the notification area and long press on Bluetooth and turn on Bluetooth, and here by default the name will appear like Galaxy M14 5G is currently visible to nearby devices. Okay, suppose if you would like to change it to other name, yes, you can do it. What you have to do is go to the settings of our phone here, then go to about phone, then here click on edit, and here change name. Here I change name to Mingy Mickey, and click on done. Now go to the home page and go to notification area and click on long press on Bluetooth and turn on Bluetooth. See here, your phone Wingy Mickey is currently visible to nearby devices. So Bluetooth name has been changed from what it was, and it is changed to what I set now. Okay, to check it from other device, go to other device and go to Bluetooth there and turn on. You will see the click on pair new device, and the available device will be showing here. Okay, it's taking longer time, but this device should be shown here. So in this way you can easily change Bluetooth name. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.